Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. Remember, this is your teacher, Miss Carmen Jaime. This is the week number 3 from Ficha number 12. And we got a new topic. The new topic is, how did we start visiting outer space? Remember, in our last class, we were talking about telescope and the outer space and the atmosphere and what happens in the atmosphere and in the outer space. So these activities or these classes are sequential. Okay? Don't forget to do these activities on this page. What is the objective? You have to read and understand this information. As a warm-up activity, first you have to watch the video. What is the video? It's a sad story. This is a sad story of Laika. Laika was a space dog. Okay? So, click on this link and go to the story, watch the video, enjoy the video. Then you got some information about what we're going to talk about in this class. Then you have to go to the exercise number 1. Before reading, skim some information. So what is the meaning of skim? Skim is that you have to make a quick reading. Okay, so make a quick reading about this text, about this paragraph. It's about Laika and this a dog, and find some important information. Okay, and then write the answers on this question. What is the number 1? What is the story about? I think the story is about Laika. So, what is Laika? It's a dog. Okay, good. Letter B. Which country launched the first living thing into space? It was the Soviet Union or maybe the United States. I don't know. Find information in the reading. Letter C. What happened to Laika? Probably Laika died in the space. I don't know. What you have to do is to find this information in the reading, in a quick, rapid reading. This is skimming. Okay, then you have to go to the exercise number 2. In the exercise number 2, you have to read and answer the question. Okay, now it's time to make a scanning, right? Scanning. So find some details in the reading. Laika. During the era of the space race between the USA and the USSR, or the Soviet Union, launched the first living thing into space. It was a dog named Laika. The objective of the trip was to prove that space travel for humans was safe, but technology hadn't advanced enough to bring ships back yet. Laika was a stray dog that became an astronaut because of her size and calmness. It was a quiet animal, probably. After some training, she was ready to go into space. Her ship, called Sputnik 2. Okay, it was launched on November the 3rd, 1957. Laika was supposed to orbit the planet some days, and the first reports from Russian space programs said so. However, in 1993, some Russian space program scientists revealed that Laika died soon after leaving the planet's atmosphere because of stress and overheating. Overheating, sobrecalentamiento. Many people in the world were in a great sorrow, so they were, apenados. They were very sad because of her death. Since then, her story has spread around the world and has inspired many tales, songs, and poems. Some of them say that Laika became a star in the sky. Oh my God, that's a great story. It's about Laika. It was a dog. It was launched into space by the Soviet Union or the ancient Russia. And what happened to this animal? Oh my God. She died, you know. She died because of overheating, by the overheating, and probably she was very stressful. Okay, when you finish the reading, then it's time to go to the sentences to write true or false. And remember, if the sentence is false, correct it. Okay, letter A. The objective of the trip wasn't to prove that space travel for humans was safe. You think this is true or false? What is the objective of the trip? Remember, if you don't understand, go back to the reading. This is the objective of the trip was to prove that space travel for humans was safe. So this is true or false? I think it's false because the answer is positive. It was to prove that space travel for humans was safe. In 1957, technology hadn't advanced enough to bring ships back yet. This is true, okay? The technology at the time, it was not so advanced than we have now. Okay, letter C. Laika was supposed to orbit the planet. Some days, I think so, yes. It was supposed to do something like that, but it didn't happen. Letter D. Laika died soon after leaving the planet's atmosphere. Yes, she died. Letter E. Many people were inspired by Laika to create songs, tales, and poems. Yes, actually there is a statue about Laika, according to the video, remember. Okay, finally, the exercise number 3 is to draw a picture with each brown word, or in this case is red word, from the reading and explain the meaning to your classmates, to your teacher, or your family. In this case, it's going to be to your teacher. So, what are the words that we have? The red words: race, lounge, overheating, sorrow, and tales. Okay, this is what you have to do in this exercise, which is the number 3. You have to write the word race. What is the definition? Is to compete with another to see who is the fastest. Okay, and this is a picture. So what is the meaning of race? Carreras. And then you have to do the same thing with lounge, overheating, to the word sorrow, and the word tales. Okay, when you finish, you have to send this information through Edmodo. Remember, take the picture, open the asignación, open the homework, open the task. Okay, so adjuntar archivo and then entregar or send the homework. Okay, this is the way you have to do. Guys, remember, do your homework and soon your portfolio will be revised. Okay, don't forget to do what you have to do, your your obligations as students. And remember this important information about Laika. Wow, it was very interesting. Okay, guys, see you at the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Remember, be safe at home. Protect yourself and protect your family. Goodbye.